find the average value of the function on the given interval. Our function h is natural log of u over u on the interval 1 through 7. So by formula, average value of h, let's say HAV, that is just a notation for average value, not needed, 1 over AB, so B minus A. So we just divide the whole integral by a number which is 7 minus 1, 6, or multiply by 1 over 6 something. 7 minus 1, we are going from 1 through 7 of this function, natural log of u over u with respect to u. In fact, this variable u is just a dummy variable, because later we need to evaluate inside 1 through 7, so we can simply replace this by x if it bothers. So I'm going to do that because we got a fraction. That means there is no fraction rule, no quotient rule. We need to do u substitution, but u is already used, so just to make our life a little easier, I can just write natural log of x over x dx. It does not matter, this variable can be anything, still the final answer is same. That's why this u is dummy variable in this case, in the sense of a definite integral. So for this fraction, how do we integrate this? So we need to make u substitution, and the top is more complicated than bottom. So our u is in fact natural log of x, take the derivative, du over dx is 1 over x. I'm going to write dx on the other side. That means we can isolate dx, so 1 over x means multiply through by x, so x du equals dx. So dx is in fact x du. And we can do more, we can change these limits in terms of new variable u, because this is now for x equals 1, x equals 7. So let's do that. When x equals 1, what's going to be our u? U is natural log of x, which is 1, natural log of 1, using calculator is 0. And when x equals 7, u is natural log of 7. That's a decimal number, so I'm just going to leave natural log of 7. So this integral is 1 over 6. With new variable, it's going to be 0 through natural log of 7. Natural log of x is our u, new variable. No information about x. Dx is found here. Dx is x du. And as you can see, x is cancelled. That leaves 1/6 outside. Antiderivative of u with respect to u. And antiderivative of u is just u square over 2 using the power rule. So u is square over 2 from 0 through ln 7. We don't have to back substitute because these limits are for new variable. Now that is 1 over 6. Oh, this 2 can be pulled outside if you want to pull. That's just 6 times 2, 12. Now ln 7 is square, that's the decimal number is square, over 2 minus lower limit 0 is square over 2, 0. Okay, there is nothing. Now 6 times 2, 12. So this is 1 over 12. A natural log of 7, that's the decimal number, square. And we don't have to simplify further. I mean, we cannot. We can write a decimal number, but we may leave here final.